Hey guys, it's your girl Naturally Nata here. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the SENSATIONNEL SHEAR MUSE wig. This is in the style Keziah and it's in the color OM/LT Ash Blonde, Light Ash Blonde. This is such a different, unique, trendy wig that is just really cute. I have wanted some ash blonde hair for a very long time and I did not expect to find it in a synthetic wig. As you can see, this is the color palette that the wig comes in, all the different shades that they have included on the tag that comes in the wig. And as you can see, it comes in some really beautiful colors: ash blonde, a denim blue, a bold red, lots of different variations of ash blonde. So these are the types of colors that I've seen people all over YouTube do themselves on wigs, but nothing that already comes like this. So I'm really shook about that. And once I saw the cut and the color of this wig, I had to get my hands on it. It's just really different. It's curly, it's an asymmetrical bob, it's a blunt cut, it's ash blonde, just lots of things going on here in one wig. So as you can see, I showed you the two clips on either side of the wig close to your ears because this has a very deep lace part, and there's also a clip in the middle of the back, and there are bra straps. I tightened the bra straps quite tight because there is no lace on this wig, which I actually was happy about. Like, less work for me. This is the type of wig that you literally just slap on your head. You don't need to glue it down, you don't need to do anything, you just need to slap it on. So that's what I did right here, and as you can see, I'm already like feeling it, and it's already almost ready to go. I did pull a few hairs out on the part in the front, which I did not show, but yeah, I just slapped this baby on my head and made sure it was severely secure. That's why I tightened the bra straps pretty tight in the back, because I wanted it to lay as flat on my head as possible so it wouldn't look bumpy. So now I'm taking the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, which is going to be the same foundation I'm going to use when I do my makeup. And I'm taking a little small angled brush by Royal and Lang Nickel, and I'm just going to put some of that foundation on the part just to make it stand out a bit more. And you'll see as soon as I put it on there, you'll be able to see that part more, and it will automatically make this wig look a bit more natural. So as you can see, that is the finished look with the foundation, and it really just makes a huge difference, but it's something so simple that you can do. I love the curls on this wig. It kind of looks like you did it with a curling iron. They kind of look a little crunchy, or like you have hairspray on them or something, which I really like because it looks, once again, a little bit more natural. And I love the cut. Look at the asymmetrical side, how it starts shorter in the back and then gets really long on one side, but not on the other. The other side stays short. I love this. So once I got my makeup on, I am ready to go, and that is how simple. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this review of the SENSATIONNEL SHEAR MUSE Keziah wig. That is really all I have to say. This is from SAMSBEAUTY, my favorite online beauty supply. So if you're interested in this wig, please be sure to check the description box below. It's only $32.99, a very affordable slay. And yeah, I cannot wait to hopefully see you in my next video. Bye!